On this Warrior Plus account, we have made over $5.5 million selling digital products. And on the same account, we made another $740,000 by promoting other people's digital products as affiliate. So when it comes to videos like this,
hey Bari and business family, and welcome to today's free course all about how to sell digital products. This video will be a complete step-by-step guide on how to start a successful business selling digital products.
I think I'm one of the right person who can go through, analyze, and show you the exact 4 steps they are showing in this video. I found third step is quite shocking, and it will be your biggest mistake if you go to the 4th step after the 3rd step. I'm going to reveal everything shortly, but at the same time, I will reveal the 5th step that they are doing right here.
Get professional email from GoDaddy. Say you receive 2 emails, one
that they are doing right here, and we do the same as well to make $500 in affiliate commissions per sale. So let's begin. Step number 1, research what people are spending money on. Unfortunately, they did not show one of the best places to do research, which is Etsy.com. But don't worry, you don't have to use Etsy. Step number 2, use Canva and its free template to create your digital product. With these templates, it will take just a couple of minutes to maximum 30 minutes. Now, before I tell you the shocking mistake in step number 3, let's go to step number 4, where you make money. For making money, we use simple videos and publish those videos on social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And we ask all our viewers to visit what we built in step number 3. And here is the biggest mistake. They showed that this kind of a website can actually sell your product and make you money. This is completely wrong, and they're doing it for a reason. The reason is directly connected to step number 5. So instead of using online store that is hosted on Shopify or regular hosting, we use marketing funnel to showcase our product. When all our viewers go to our automated marketing funnel, they buy high ticket products through the automated system, and we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is step number 5. Now you might be asking, if we should use automated funnel, why in this video they are showing online store? Is because through this video they are promoting this online hosting service. Link is in the description, and they're showing the process of using this hosting server in the video. So here is what you should do. Instead of following their advice, do exactly what they are doing and do exactly what we do as well. Making videos and siphon your viewers to your automated marketing funnel. Now you might be thinking how to make an automated funnel and how can you earn $500 commission. In our system, this automated marketing funnel and other 99% of the technical work is completely done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.